What up, you awesome sauce hackers? It's your boy, the humble hacker from Chi-Town, Shy, running back with another lab. And today, we're going to be going over exploiting XXE to perform SSRF attacks. Now, this is a twofer, my bad. Because we're looking at two different vulnerabilities here. One, XXE, from my previous video, what I basically described it as basically a command that has a variable that is assigned to perform an interaction with the resource. That's what XXE is basically about. Now, SSRF is a target that uses a parameter that makes a request either outside or on its own application. So, by doing a little bit of math here, let me see. Carry the 4. Alright. Square root of pi is... some stuff's going to be going down. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is basically making our XXE payload communicate with our target to pull data. So it says lab servers running the simulator, EC2 metadata input, and its endpoint can be used to retrieve data about the instance, some of which might be sensitive. So let the fun begin. Let's go up into our VoIP, set our target, hit add, use the advanced scope control. I use this because it's a lot more accurate. Go over to proxy, over our options, check this and check this. So only the traffic from our target will be coming into our sitemap, right? There, make sure our proxy is off, and funky fresh foxy proxy is turned on. The burp suite right here, and let's go. Now we got our VoIP filling up this data. So let's go ahead and pick one. All right. Let's get our proxy, or not our proxy, our intercept. Well, yeah, proxy intercept on, and let's go to here. All right. So send this to our repeater. Scooch this up out my face. All right. Now, if you guys remember, the moment that we see this is when we start working with XXE. So what we got to do with this is put together our doc type and our entity. All right, so let's go ahead and make that. So we got our little greater than, less sign, or Pac-Man monsters, whatever you want to call it. All right, so we got our exclamation point doc type right here. Just making up some garbage. Foo. All right, let's expand this out. To here. Entity. There we go. And our variable name is XXE, right? What's this variable going to do? It's going to call the system, right? It's going to call the system. To... where's everything at? Here we go. To call forth this resource. Okay? So, when we call it, okay, we have our response. We didn't call this yet, so what do? We go ahead and call this out by our ampersand XXE. Oh my God. Okay, now let's call it. And now look at what we got. Okay, so we call it, and we have invalid product ID latest. Now, why are we getting this and not an actual product number? Well, because we just created an entity that has a variable XXE that calls the system to pull out this resource, and this is the response. So it's looking for latest. All right, so let's go add it. Latest. Send that. Now we got another path. Metadata. All right, cool. Add metadata. All right, see what else we get that's different. Eum. I don't know nobody named Eum. I ain't gonna pronounce it I am because they definitely don't look like that from here. All right, next up, security credentials. Let's take that, put up our slash, paste that right there. Next up, okay, got a new path, admin. All right, and here we go, success. So now we have this here. Get our request in the browser, copy that, paste that right there, repeat the request. Actually, I think the burp proxy is still on. Yes, indeed it is. Let me measure click this. Hang on. Let's go back to that. Okay, what the hell is that? All right. Resend. But on our lab, there we are. We successfully solved the lab here by taking advantage of XXE to perform a secondary attack, which is SSRF, in order to enumerate what's on this target here. All right, so that was a fun one. Another quick one. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to probably do 2 these videos a week. Either one web vulnerability and one actual box that I'm going to be hacking, or just 2 bugs a week and maybe 2 boxes a week or something like that. But anyway, I had fun. Hope you guys did too. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. I am Sharon, and I am out.